And I also like find that most of the AI tools are expensive. I know that there is a free version of ChatGPT which is really useful, but in addition to using the free version of ChatGPT, what are some other ways marketers can, experiment with AI tools without breaking the bank?
I mean, ChatGPT for sure. I mean, every other person that you see on the street is using ChatGPT. So that's definitely one way of, or the easiest way of making or using an AI tool for free. There is also an alternative called Bard from Google, which is another one you can try out. You can go to bard.google.com to give it a shot. Now, beyond this, what is it that you can do? You can actually look for tools which offer you free trials. For example, Descript, which is an all-in-one video editing tool, as they call it, has a free version with the option for you to create one video without a watermark. Typecast, which is a text-to-video conversion tool, it gives you the option to try 300 characters for free to experience how the quality of automated text to voice conversion is in that particular tool. Another example is we all know there are plenty of AI content writing assistants today, and one of the most popular of them is Jasper, and it offers a 7-day free trial. Another content writing tool called Copy.ai, it offers 2,000 words per month for free. Right, so this is one way in which you can try out different AI tools. Now, for platforms that don't offer free trials, there is a sneaky little hack that you can try. You can approach these tools or owners of this platform saying that you want to evaluate them, and they might allow you to try out the platform. Right, I've tried a few platforms that way. I mean, I had intentions of onboarding them if everything worked out well, but this is like a sneaky little hack you can try to get your hands on some of these cool technologies which you might not otherwise get an opportunity to. Uh, uh, so yeah, I mean, these are the couple of ways in which you can try out AI tools. And given this, there is no excuse for not trying. Right, this is the time. This is the AI era, and this is the time for especially marketers to go ahead and get their hands on some of these cool tools.